Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make a video and try to explain how things are going to work for my class. I know you guys have a lot of instruction coming to you from your different teachers. I'm going to try to keep my tasks pretty consistent so that way you're not trying to get used to something different every week. Okay, so everything's going to be in classwork. Week 1 quadratics intro is where we're starting. It's still a draft right now because I have to add this YouTube video. The YouTube video will be called Week 1 Math Daily. And it'll guide you through how we're going to operate. Okay, so these 2 documents are going to be your guiding documents. This one is a lesson plan for online learning. That one's more of a weekly overview, has an I can statement and just the same thing across. Review your notes and do the practice problems for every day. By the way, you don't have to do this each day. You can take care of it in a couple days. You can do it midweek. I just don't suggest putting it off until like Thursday or Friday because I don't want you guys to stress yourselves out. Try to give yourself at least half an hour, 45 minutes a day. I think you can get it done. Okay. So we're starting with quadratics. I need you to be able to tell me what a quadratic is. I need you to be able to put quadratics into a certain form. I need you to be able to add and subtract quadratics, and then last but not least, I need you to be able to create quadratics with multiplication. Okay, that's our task. So beyond that, you do have daily agenda slides. Your daily agenda will kind of break down if I thought you were going to do these things every day, how I would suggest it. Like I said, you can do this however you see fit. Monday, watch the beginning of the week video, do the check-in form, and be honest with me because I'm really concerned about you guys. I want to know how you're doing. Edpuzzle is going to be a new resource for us. I've used it in past years, and I think it's a great tool for the times that we're going through right now with online learning. And then practice problems will be posted also. Okay. We got another Edpuzzle. You can also refer back. I didn't specifically tell you guys what to put in notes, but I think you should be taking notes as you go through these videos. And then practice with standard form. Now here's on Discovery Education. You guys know how those investigations are. They're pretty self-guided, but sometimes the instructions are a little bit hard to understand. So if you need help with that, let me know. And then the practice problems for that day are on quizzes, another Edpuzzle, more practice problems. Friday, nothing new because I just want you guys to have time to complete all the assignments, ask questions, and submit scanned copies of your assignments. Okay. And then down here, we got just a little bit more of a breakdown. You watch the YouTube video, do check-in form, Edpuzzle. There's questions along the way, so I'll show you what Edpuzzle look like in a minute, and then do the practice problems, scan and upload. So just some details about the days, nothing too in depth. So Edpuzzle, let me show you what that's like. I like Edpuzzle because it's just, it's unique. It's kind of cool. You watch the video, right? And then along the way, this one's super short. It's only 1 minute and 9 seconds. There's only 2 questions here. These little teardrop shapes are where the video pauses. It asks you a question over here on the side and kind of sees if you're paying attention to the video and if you're following and comprehending. Okay, and I'll check that to grade your participation for this stuff. All right, let's see what else we got on Classroom that I have to talk about. Here's one of the homeworks. Here's another homework. Here's another homework. Here's a couple of Edpuzzles that we got to do that week. This video right here is how to scan documents with your phone. So if you have a printer, go ahead, print these out, fill them out, and then you're gonna have to send them to me somehow. So I recommend a scanning app instead of just your phone camera because it will be just more of a clear image. I want your work to be well labeled. I want it to be neat and clean. I want to see your name on the paper. I need that to be done on a regular basis. Okay, as far as grading, 20% of your grade is going to come from participation. We're going to have 60% of your grade based on the assignments that you turn in. And then every once in a while, I'll give you kind of like a quiz type of thing, which I'll call a mastery assignment. And that's pretty much it. I hope I mentioned that I'm going to post on Mondays and those will be due on Fridays in the evening. So right here, I'm going to make it due Monday, May 1st at 11:59. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. If you need to get a hold of me, you can always email me. I did end up making a Google Voice. Just send me a text message first and let me know that you're going to call. Make sure you're keeping it to my office hours, Monday through Friday, excuse me, 9 to 3. And the number is 559-666-3307. So text me first, let me know who you are, and when you're going to call, so I can get all my school stuff together and make sure that I have everything I need to help you out. Okay. I really think that's it. I know you guys are getting more than my other classes because that's just how our schedule worked with daily. You were always getting more than my other classes, right? So just communicate with me, and we'll make sure that we get your grade to stay where you need it to stay. All right. Take care, guys, and have a good week. Talk to you soon. Bye.